Hi, welcome to my channel, Ruby Stedman. Today we'll be opening a box. This package I received from Hobium. Hobium is a Turkey-based company. It's a yarn company that they sent me this package for a review. I went to their website. They have really good prices. And they have premium acrylic, they have alpaca, they have merino wool, they have cotton, they have linen, and other beautiful blends. And the shipping, let me tell you, it's really good. Here in Canada, I sent a package to my sister in British Columbia from Ontario, and it took 3 weeks for her to receive the package. This package came from the other side of the world, all the way from Turkey to Canada, and they sent it to me the 12th of December, and today is the 17th, and we had a weekend in between, and it's already here. So it's like that. When you send the payment, I think right away they just send it. It's amazing. They already have 5 stars from me for shipping, very fast, and prices 5 star because they're really good. Let's see the quality when I open it and work with it. Let's see if it's as good as I hope so. So in the description box below, I'm gonna leave all the links for their website, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Check them out and see what I mean of the beautiful yarn and beautiful prices. At least for here, for Canada, is really good. And well, that's it. Now let's open our box to see what goodies we have inside. Okay, let's see what they sent me. I'm very anxious to see. Wow, and the top comes this bag. It's I think it's like a jackrabbit. And it says, "Oh my dear," Hobium.com. And in the back it says, "All you need is love." Love Hobium. So it's a really nice bag to carry the yarn. Those little extra details that they have with their client is incredible, because they asked me to pick the color of the yarn for the projects that I plan to do with them, and I picked the yarn. I wasn't expecting extra stuff. They sent me that beautiful bag, and in here I asked for La Mia Merino because I want to do either a sweater or a swancho, a color work, and they sent me La Mia Merino. This is 100% merino wool, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in here. And I ordered as well other ones for a shawl, one netted shawl and a crochet shawl. So, wow. So 5, that pink, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 of this pink. They are La Mia Premium Yarn Merino 100% wool, 100% wool. Is number 2, and they recommend netting needle 3 or a crochet hook 2 or 2.5. And I never touched a yarn so soft as this one. This one to do a baby sweater. It's amazing. Wow. You know, when you touch a yarn, you know if it's an itchy yarn or it's a little rough, or if it's, you know, the texture, you right away know when you touch a yarn if it's good or not. And this one, let me tell you, is feel amazing. If when you have it on, it's as good as in here. Incredible. So they sent me 3 of these crude. Again, they are La Mia wool or La Mia Merino, because they have La Mia wool and they have La Mia Merino. This one is La Mia Merino. Merino wool. And this one is the crude. They sent me 3 salmon. I picked the colors because, like I mentioned, I want to do a color work sweater. They sent me 3 salmon in this color. Look, it's amazing. It's true like a salmon coral, and it feels so good. And they sent me 3 of the fuchsia. So that's gonna be a really nice color combination for either the sweater or the swancho that I'm gonna do. Very soft, like I say, if you want to make something nice and soft for a baby, this will be the one to order. And I still don't work with it because I just received it, but I know. I've been working with yarn for a very long time, and I know this will be amazing. It's amazing to the touch, and it's like silk. So they sent me another little goodies here. They sent me these plastic beads, have 2 little holes that can be for sewing on the top of the sweater or a blouse or something. It's really cute. It's like a fan. They sent me this little cardboard pom-pom maker. They have this nice, you know, with their clients. This is very thoughtful of them to send me this extra stuff, because I wasn't expecting for them to send me that much yarn, neither this little extra stuff. They sent me 2 tags. And they sent me 1, 2, 3, 4 stickers. 2 of them I love Hobium, like this, and 2 of them love Hobium, but with like that. And they sent me 2 special gifts for you, 15% off your purchase of 50 or more on hobiumyarns.com. 2 of them, not 1, 2 of them. So that's very, very generous of them. So this one you're gonna love. Look at this Kartupu yarn. The color is Kartupu Matryoshka, and 220 meters. 820 meters. 820 meters, 200 grams. Sorry, I was like so excited that I'm gibbering. So look at this color. That is amazing. So they asked me to pick the yarn for my project. So I ordered 2 of these, the same color. No 1, 2. Look how gorgeous this is. This is quadruple, acrylic, wool, and Lincoln. The color of this one, just in case you go there and you want to buy the same as this one, is H2132 and is amazing. Look at this color, so alive. And I ordered the same color because I want to do a crochet shawl and a netted shawl. So if when I do my netted shawl I don't have enough, I can grab the other ball and continue and then do a smaller crochet shawl, or vice versa. But that's why I ordered the same color for the shawls, because I don't know exactly how much I'm gonna need. So this is amazing, very generous of them to send me all this yarn, and I really like the feel of them. They feel amazing. So itchy. I'm very sensitive skin. I don't like itchy stuff. So this is amazing. Like I said, this is the Cartupo Matryoshka, and this one is La Mia Merino Wool, and I really, by the touch, I recommend this for babies. So how soft is this? So I want to thank you for watching this video, and I want to thank Hobium Yarn for the generosity to send me all this yarn. So I'll be working with them after I finish my Christmas present and hat making, and then I will start making working with this yarn. So I hope you guys like this video, and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already a subscriber. And if you subscribe, click on the little bell and you will get notification each time I upload a video. Remember, I do my videos in Spanish and English, so if you receive a Spanish video, go to the main page on my YouTube channel, you'll find the version of English in there. And if when you're there you want to do a donation to my channel, go to the right hand where it says donate. They will give you the choice for a PayPal or credit card donation. I wish you have a beautiful day. Bye. See you soon with more videos.